Like the great Phil Collins said, I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Right now, what it feels like we are going through is a big shift in retail sentiment, a big shift towards positivity. And what we might actually be witnessing is a little bit of a retail takeover. And this is obviously huge for assets. This is what can cause BTC dominance to drop, ADA price, and other assets to pump. And I want to talk about what this may in fact look like right now, because what we are witnessing is a complete opposite trend of what institutional money is doing. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So since I made my video last night for ADA, very little volatility. ADA, the lowest it got down to was about 79.5 or so, and it actually had a spike all the way up to 81.45. All right. So we're not seeing a lot of volatility right now. We're very tight compression. What you're seeing is that the sellers across the market have calmed down in a big way, and we are seeing an actual increase in activity. So from the day prior to now, 24 hours later, we've actually seen an increase in volume across the industry by about 20%, closing in on $100 billion in daily trading volume. So this is a very good sign. You are starting to see people get just a little bit more confident here, which is why we're seeing essentially a sea of green across the crypto market. I mean, my longs, for example, it's a sea of green as well. Actually, my near long, that one's up 157%. I'm actually going to just take some profit on that right now. Nothing wrong with taking profit in this space, right? And again, if you guys want to obviously, check out BTCC or Margex, there are links in the description below. Most of my ones are up pretty well. I think my Ondo one is down just a little bit, if this will refresh, but that is all starting to head the right direction, and sentiment is coming with that, right? And again, if you guys want to check these out, great opportunity for you to earn some trading and deposit bonuses. You can earn up to $10,000 there. You can earn a 10% deposit bonus on your first time deposit. So feel free to check that out if you guys would like. But what we're seeing again is BTC start to get a little lively. BTC breaking through, just surging through its moving averages. Okay. We have not done this since all the way back here, all the way in the middle part of January. And we're doing this with a little bit of steam, because this is actually completely opposite of what institutional money is doing. Institutional money yesterday, $364 million in BTC unloads. It's a pretty significant number. That's usually been enough to actually dump the market just a little bit, but that didn't happen. And the reason why that's not happening is, again, retail is getting excited. When we look at, for example, a spot Ethereum side, another outflow day. All right. These kind of crap days for institutional money are starting to get very consistent. And what retail is basically saying is, we've had enough. We've had enough. We're going to move the charts ourselves. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now. Now, again, ADA, great spot to start the day. We're sitting right at that 20-day moving average. This is, again, where you could see ADA, if we have momentum continue, go up again and test this 83-cent range, our resistance. If our breakout begins, remember, our target is somewhere up in this like 94 to 95-cent range. If we do get a rejection, know that it is possible we could come back down to this 200-day moving average. I'm not trying to spread fear or create doubt or anything like that. I think that right now momentum is in fact carrying us. And what we're starting to see again is exactly what we need to see in terms of USDT dominance. The very exciting thing here too that we're seeing is we were basically creating a double top. All right. It does not want to break above this 200-day moving average. Very strong sign. Okay. What you're seeing is capital still sticking around, hanging around, waiting for the moment to re-enter the space. And look at these last 3 days. It's a sharp drop back down towards its moving averages. And guys, this could be in fact where we do get the throwback to our trend here. Now, obviously this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. We have to just be patient and again, let these things play out. BTC dominance looking still a little toppy here, right? Looks like a little bit of a dead cat bounce. And I think that very soon we're going to have a throwback down to about 60%. Once we start to breach through that 60% level, we can start dropping pretty quickly down to 57%, 55%. The exact range is where you're going to start to see other assets outperform BTC in a big way. Now, what I will say is the main sector that has been taking off over the last 24 hours is AI. I actually have a lot of AI coins. I have, I have these top 4 down here. I mean, I'm pretty well loaded up on AI on a lot of these dips that we've been on. And there's a little bit of excitement surrounding here. And what we may be starting to go through is a little bit of those crypto sub cycles again, where you start to see, AI get excited. Then it moves to layer ones. Layer ones get excited. Then you start to see meme coins. Meme coins get excited, right? And then everything just moves together. Then we get into that up only season, that exciting time that everything just begins to surge. Now, I'm not saying it's going to work out perfectly like that. I'm not even saying that that's the exact order, but this is exactly what we need to see in order for us to get to those moments that we've been waiting for, the up only season, the big exciting boom. Retail confidence needs to get to that point and needs to be on the rise. And in fact, it is slowly but surely climbing. We've climbed out of this fearful range, right? Down at about 35, climbed to 40, climbed to 42. This is the exact momentum shift that we started to see back at the end of summer in 2024, right? As August concluded, we started to get into September, and then the market started rolling. So the question I have for you guys is, do you see these same things playing out? Is this the moment where the market is starting to shift towards the big boom? All right. I'm not trying to get overly excited. We're at a lot of assets that are very close to breakouts right now, a lot of things sitting right on the edge. And if momentum stays good, if news stays positive, if we don't have any surprises, this could be where it begins. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.